now that I have the basic functionality of being able to remove things, add things, and whatever, now I can build my main application, right? I can build the menu structure that says, welcome to my fruit stand, press 1 to add a fruit, press 2 to remove a fruit, press 3 to list the fruit. And then I can create the menu structure using if, elif, else. And inside that menu structure, right? Let's look at this. Input 1, add. This is not very user-friendly. Remove 3, list. Okay, so if my menu looks like this, if str menu equals 1, add fruit, dfruit. Elif str menu equals 2, remove fruit. Oops, I've got to use self-assignment here. Don't forget that, otherwise it won't do anything. There we go. And else list fruit. Okay, so there is, that's my program. If I put that in a while loop, I can do multiple, I can keep going and do multiple things. But now when I run that, now that I've got those big functions all defined, fruit name, grapes, fruit price, okay? So if I put that in a while loop, now I can keep adding and managing my fruit, my inventory. And I could have something called, if I wanted to, I could have another function that says sell fruit. So if I sold 2 bananas, it could subtract 2 from this price. This is the basic of a database management system, right? So what we're creating here is a very simple database with a very simple data structure, and we're having functions to do all of the major things, which leaves us in our main program with a very simple structure, easy to keep track of, not like 30 lines of code for each branch. You can see what's going on here, which is really nice, and it's easy to debug. So back to our assignment. Okay, so assignment 7, you're going to create a nested dictionary, not unlike what I created before. Although I would suggest something like this, because you might have 2 people named Bob in there in your company. It'd be a shame if your employee management software didn't allow you to hire another person with the same name as somebody else. So you could use just sort of an employee ID number or something like that over here. Okay, and then name, job, salary. Same thing for each employee. I would start off like this with a few sample records so that you have something to play around with. So when you create that database, you're going to create the database first thing up here. Just define it, and then the rest of that is creating these functions, okay? And in each function, you're taking in the database, the data variable, as an argument, and you're returning the modified data variable. So you're always taking it in, pushing it out. It's a black box. I could do this with any other fruit variable that I wanted. Okay. So we are going to start. I'm going to leave you plenty of time to work today, but this is the assignment. Nested dictionary, custom functions, add and remove employee records, and it should include name, salary, and position title. What you do beyond that is up to you. Okay, and I'm going to shrink this code down just a little bit and leave it up here for a while so you can have a look at it. That ought to do it. All right.